You will not wear masks in this church. You will not wear masks in this church.
A right-wing pastor in Tennessee went on a completely insane rant about Joe Biden, about masks, about the Delta variant, about COVID-19, about vaccines, and it is just completely nuts. I thought church was about, I don't know, trying to better yourself and give back to your community, but apparently it's about being selfish and stupid. Check this out.
I've been right about all of it. We've been right about all of it. Woo! Yes! Yes! These wicked fools don't win in the end. They don't win in the end. So all this fear bull crap is that. It is bull crap. Say amen. I know you've never been to a church where a pastor told you to say amen after I said bull crap. It's better than what I want to say. I call it real BS, biblical stupidity. Biblical stupidity. So I know I wasn't going to say nothing about it, but I think I feel froggy enough. I'm going to jump right now and just say this. I am not apologizing for what I said on this platform last week. The Delta variant was nonsense then. It is nonsense now. You will not wear masks in this church. You will not wear masks in this church. I'm telling you right now, do not get vaccinated. Do not get vaccinated. I don't care what you think about me. I don't need your money. I don't need your hand clap. I don't need more people on social media to follow me. I ain't following along with it. Joe Biden's days are numbered. I said they're numbered. I've told you the whole time this election was fraudulent. We got so much proof. The only people that can deny it are crack-smoking, demon-possessed leftists. Woo! I'm about to tear this whole pulpit in half.
All right. Now, clearly this is all a performance. I'm not sure if this guy's an actual lunatic. I'm not sure if he's just a charlatan. Ultimately, it doesn't really matter what his motivation is. What matters is the actual impact on society, or in this case, the impact on people in this room who are clapping during this insane rant. So you have here people in this crowd who clearly, these are God-fearing people. They fear a sky god that's invisible, but they don't fear a deadly virus that has killed millions of people. I don't know how you go through life this completely oblivious, but it's, if they just impacted themselves, that'd be one thing. But understand that people under 12, kids under 12 still cannot get vaccinated. So the more people that are unvaccinated that believe, this quack, more kids are being put at risk in the process whenever you go out in public or, visit friends and family who believe that shit. Now, yes, to be clear here, there are people who aren't vaccinated for other reasons, not because they believe this insanity. But there clearly is a large portion of the unvaccinated who follow, crap like this and don't know the reality, which, of course, let's get to that reality. So this is in Tennessee. Tennessee Health Department here, 98% plus of COVID deaths, 97% of hospitalizations are now among the unvaccinated. And you can go through, state by state, it's the same thing. Florida, half of Florida COVID-19 hospitalizations under 55, 96% unvaccinated. So the people that are getting sick are unvaccinated and, yes, people that are young. So if you're young and unvaccinated, you very likely, with the Delta variant, more transmissible, may end up in the hospital. And at the very least, you will be protected by the more severe symptoms of COVID-19 if you are vaccinated. So it's just, all of this stuff is obvious, I think, to most people who live in objective reality. But, it just amazes me that anybody watch this guy run around like just a complete loon. And look at the crowd. I don't get it. And I can't pretend to understand. Last thing here. Daily new confirmed COVID-19 cases per million people. This is in the U.S. You see here this new spike. And that's because of the Delta variant. And to be clear, yes, people who are vaccinated are also getting COVID-19, getting the Delta variant. But they are not experiencing, for the most part, not experiencing the same severe symptoms that people who are unvaccinated are experiencing. And that's why those are the ones, the unvaccinated, are ending up in the hospital and dying. It couldn't be more clear. But, apart from that, I guess he also ranted about Joe Biden, and he thinks the election is going to be overturned. He believes that I don't want to go down that wormhole. It's too crazy. This is too crazy. Why do people like this exist? I know why. Charlatans exist because they make a career out of it. This guy's doing pretty well, I'm sure. But also, it's as long as there's an audience, then there's going to be people that find a way to exploit any kind of mistrust of government or the media, which in many cases is warranted, especially when it comes to big pharma. Yes, there's a lot of discussion there in terms of their impact on society, in terms of the media's impact on society as well when it comes to their framing on certain issues, especially economic issues, very pro-corporate, pro-capitalism. And of course, politicians largely bought by corporations, especially in the US particularly. But you have to be able to have those criticisms, understand that, yes, there are various motivations at play when it comes to corporations, politicians, but be able to separate that from data and science that shows you who is ending up in the hospital, who is dying from COVID-19, and the benefits of the vaccine.